Hey everyone, this is Alex from Eaton Brothers. Today we're going to be banding this tree for protection against invasive insects that crawl up and down the tree like gypsy moth, canker worm, and many more. Today we're going to be using our Treekote tree wrap, Treekote banding gum, an applicator. This one is a wood shim, a pair of scissors, and a piece of tape. So you can wrap your trees anywhere from 12 to 24 inches up the trunk. So we're going to start at 12 inches up the trunk. Wrap it nice and tight. And we're going to go 2 to 3 times around the trunk. So now that we've got the tree banded, we're going to grab our banding gum. And this is just a sticky substance. It's not too sticky. You're not going to grab a bird, but this is just so the real crawlies get stuck. Don't worry if it gets too messy. It's an all natural product. It's not going to hurt the tree. It's just for when the pests are in season. You're going to put on just enough, but not so much that it's really globby. You don't want to waste the product. You just want to get full coverage all the way around the tree so there's a good barrier. The tree is now protected from crawling pests like canker worms, spongy moth, tent caterpillars, and many more. Over time, this will fill up with pests, and that's a good time to replace. For more information on tree care and how-to videos, visit the Resource Center on our website, eatonbrothers.com.